Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of euro dollar, euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of euro USD in front of us. But before I proceed with the analysis, I would like to show you an article from Daily FX. US dollar strikes back as the ECB takes a dovish still. Will the DXY index recover? That is a big question right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that after this heavy correction, DXY right now is trying to recover. Okay. Yesterday when I was recording the video on euro dollar, okay, it was standing here and I told you that if dollar US dollar or DXY bounces after taking support here, then the index may recover again. And right now we can see some sort of recovery on the chart of DXY. Previously we were thinking that if the correction continues and if it falls below 109.30, then there may be a further correction on DXY and good amount of recovery will be seen on the chart of euro USD. But right now we can see that yes, DXY is trying to recover. If DXY is trying to recover, that means there will be pressure on the chart of euro dollar, euro USD. So again, the Monday market opening will be very important. We need to observe after the market opening how the market is moving or in which direction the market is moving. If dollar continues the recovery, if dollar starts going up to reclaim the previous levels, then obviously we will see correction on the chart of euro USD. But in case dollar starts showing selling pressure, okay, then we will see some upside on the chart of euro USD. Right now, if we just observe the chart of DXY, then right now the picture is not very clear. Okay, the picture is not very clear. In fact, same goes with the chart of euro USD also. Personally, I will try to avoid trading on euro dollar for the next 2 to 3 days because two of my SL stop losses were hit this week. So I will be extra cautious the next week. DXY, okay, we don't have a clear picture whether DXY is recovering or not. We will get to know on Monday or Tuesday only. Okay, let's wait and watch. The strategy on DXY remains the same. 109.30 will be important. If market breaks it, then there will be heavy recovery on the euro dollar. Now let's look at the chart of euro USD. So euro dollar or euro USD closed at 0.9966. This is the last traded price. And my dear friends, if we just observe the last 4 candles, okay, we can see that there was no proper direction. We can't deny that euro USD, the most popular currency pair, the hero of the forex market, but right now we are not very certain with the direction. If we just look at these candles, this is a 4 hours chart. 4 candles means 16 hours. No proper direction, no clear direction about the market. One thing is certain, that if market goes up, this level has the potential of acting as a resistance. 1.0100, 1.0075. So if market goes up, there is a high chance that market may reverse. If euro USD reverse from this level, we can go for a sell position if market reverses. Okay, but right now what will happen, okay, we cannot be so certain. So I'll suggest everyone not to take any position right at the opening. Okay, let the market open, let the market settle first and wait for the right time until and unless you get a clear direction. See, this is one trading opportunity, but this level is quite far away. In case there is a sudden selling pressure on euro USD, okay, then I will suggest everyone to avoid taking a sell position. Okay, because see, we also have the 50 moving average coming up, so try to avoid any sell position below this level. See, previously I used to recommend that you can go for a sell if market breaks it, but right now due to the ongoing uncertain situation, I will suggest everyone not to take any sell position below this level. What you can do is you can wait for this level to touch 0.9865, okay, to 0.9 850. This is our next support zone for euro dollar. There is a possibility that in case market starts falling, then this level may show some kindness, and if market bounces, you can go for a buy position. At least you can expect a profit of 30 to 35 pips if market comes to this level and market bounces. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect this profit. Okay, and in case there is a heavy reversal, okay, in case there is a heavy recovery from here, then you can continue with that position. But right now, because of the ongoing situation where levels are not working perfectly fine, where we are having some uncertainty on the chart, you should try to look for quick entry and exit on it, just to keep your capital safe. As a trader, we must be very flexible according to the market situation. There are some markets where the market is trending. For example, USD JPY was trending for weeks and months. On those kind of chart, you don't need to go for quick entry and exit. You can be on the trade for days, weeks and months. But when we have a chart like this, it's better to change your trading strategy according to the market situation. Right now, the market situation is demanding that instead of going for positional trades, swing trades, you should look for quick entry and exit. I feel so, at least. Okay, so if I'm wrong, if you think that I have missed something, then please write down in the comment section. Okay, I would love to learn, because see, after we all are students of the market, we can't deny that. So in short, as of now, I'll just think I think, and I'll also suggest that wait for the market opening and just to check in which direction the market moves. Okay, in case the market drops, you can consider this as a support. If you see market bouncing from a support, go for a buy. This level also has the potential of acting as resistance. If market reverses, you can go for a sell. Right now, I am not recommending any breakout or breakdown trades because of the ongoing situation, because we do not have a clear direction. Similarly, we also don't know what is going on with the DXY, whether it will recover or it will go down further. So please be careful with your trading positions. And as I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Please follow proper risk management. No trader is 100% accurate. I am also a trader. My assets were hit also last week. Okay, so please be careful and trade accordingly. And that's it. Nothing much to discuss. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Okay, market is going nowhere. Give time to your family. Bye bye. Take care.